Happy day, this is EJ McCoy with Chorby. North Texas recently saw unprecedented freezing weather that wreaked havoc on most, if not all, lawn and landscapes. Your landscaping specifically is the most valuable part of your lawn and landscaping. Grass is generally easy to replace. Shrubs like this, live oak trees, much more expensive, much more costly to replace. And in some cases, if you've got some really large trees and shrubs, they're irreplaceable. So keep that in mind. This freeze really stressed out a lot of our plants that normally do perfectly fine. Case in point, these Indian hawthorns here. They are clearly struggling. They probably aren't gonna make it. They need to be replaced. Take a look at these Burford hollies here. This has had some pretty serious freeze damage. Now it's still alive, it's gonna be okay. Our total shrub program will feed this plant to really help rejuvenate the leaf structure and make it a vibrant holly again. Lastly, let's talk about live oaks. Live oaks are absolutely beautiful evergreen trees most years. This hard freeze turned all their leaves brown. They almost look dead. It's very concerning, but they are gonna, in most cases, be all right. They do need some extra care. They really need a solid deep root injection, fertilizer of some sort to really bring that tree back to life. It's gonna lose all of its dead leaves. It's gonna regenerate new leaves, and fresh, good fertilizer this spring and summer is gonna really help that. We're here to help with that. We can advise you. We've got experts on staff. Give us a call, send us a message. We're here to help. Make it a great day.